Hello everyone, welcome to this session. Our topic is computer networks and communications, and we are still discussing about the network physical topologies. So far in our past video, we saw that there are various different types of these network physical topologies. We said there are different topologies that are there just to construct a network. They include the mesh topology, star topology, link topology, bus topology, tree topology, and the last not least, the cellular topology. So far in our past video, we covered three of them, the mesh topology, star topology, and the link topology. So in this video, I'm going to discuss the bus topology, tree topology, and the cellular topology. So we'll start with the bus topology. Now, this kind of topology works in a way that a networking topology that connects the networking components along a single cable, or that uses a series of full cable segments that are connected linearly. So it's just a kind of a networking topology that is there and it connects the components uh, in a form of a linear arrangement. So a network that uses this kind of a form of a linear arrangement, that is a bus topology, is referred to as a bus network. Now the bus networks were the original form of the Ethernet networks using the 10 base 5 cabling standard. Now let's see the uses of this bus topology. The bus topology is used for the following. The first one is that the bus topology is used for the small work group local area networks, the LANs, whose computers are connected using a thin net cable. So the bus topology is there just to connect these small local area networks, just which they are using the thin net cable. The second one that the bus topology is used for the trunk cables connecting hubs or switches of these departmental LANs to form a larger LAN. So it's there just to collect all the various departmental LANs, these local area networks, and to form a bigger or a larger LAN, that is a larger local area network. The other one is that the bus topology is there just as a backboning topology by joining the switches and the routers to form the campus-wide networks. So all these three are just some of the uses of this bus topology. And here is our illustration of this bus topology. As you can see here, there's a server. So this server is linked up to a linear arrangement as a bus network of all these components which are there. There's a workstation here, the others, and there are terminators, and there are also devices connected, the other workstations, all linked up to a given server within a linear arrangement. Moving on, let's see the tree topology. The tree topology uh, what it does is that it integrates the characteristics of a star and a bus topology. Earlier we saw how in physical star topology, this is physical star network topology, the computers or just the nodes are connected by each other through the central hub. Now we also saw in the bus topology whereby the workstation devices are connected by a common cable that is called a bus. Now after understanding these these two network configurations, we can understand the tree topology better in a way that in this tree topology, the number of star networks are connected using bus. So this the connector or the main cable, it seems like a main stem of a tree, and the other star networks as the branches. It also called as the expanded star topology. The Ethernet protocol is the commonly used in this type of topology. So as you can see here, it's just how this tree topology is illustrated. There are these hubs that link up to the various workstations, As you can see here, they link up to all these workstations. So they hold up the network like this. So this is what we call a tree topology. So a tree topology is based with the networks of the star and the bus topology just forming up like a tree formation. Last not least, let's discuss the cellular topology. In the cellular topology, this is applicable only in the case of a wireless media that does not require the cable connection. So in this wireless media, each point transmits in a certain geographical area called a cell. Now each cell, it represents a portion of the total network area. Now, devices that are in the cell communicate through a central hub. The hubs are in different cells are the ones that are interconnected to one another. They route data across the network and they provide a complete networking infrastructure. Now, the data is transmitted in the cellular digital packed data, that is CDPD format. So that's shortly about the cellular topology. So it's kind of a topology whereby there are these devices that are connected in a cell communication through a central hub, and whereby the various hubs that are within this network which are in various cells, they are interconnected to one another to form this cellular topology. So from there, cellular topology, you can get that there's connection of the cell communication among the devices. So please, guys, thank you for listening. We've discussed all the various types of the network physical topologies. I hope they were clear very well enough within these two videos. Thank you.